For the second day running, senior officials from the Ministry of Health went before the Parliamentary Public Accounts Committee to answer queries raised by the Auditor General's report of 2014-2015. Committee members asked the officials, led by the Permanent Secretary Dr. Smani Lukwago, to hand over design sheets and calculations for the construction projects of 9 hospitals which the auditors assessed.
Do they have the same title?
The ministry officials admitted withholding the design sheets which showed the expenditure.
130 million US dollar is not small money, which has been mismanaged. My humble appeal is let the law take its course. If these people are not going to be open to us,
who is going to take due diligence to find out whether they are genuine? Because you refused to hand them over. Now you're bringing them to a committee which is meeting you for 1 day.
I agree that the design sheets were not observed by the auditors.
Another issue that came to the attention of the legislators was the failure by the Health Ministry to recover most of the 1.8 billion shillings of Global Fund money stolen by service providers between 2009 and 2011. MPs learned that only 23 million shillings had been recovered between 2014 and 2016.
I think the committee asked for evidence of communication if they had been writing to these people demanding for this money. That is what we wanted to know. And then also the status, how is the progress of payments?
But of the 1.8 billion, you've only picked from individuals 23 million. So how come you've not picked over 1.8 billion?
The files that were cleared by DPP, the 23 million that has been recovered, and there are files that are still with police, because police issued the first report indicating that the activities were implemented countrywide and they required more time to finalize the investigations.
About 1.6 million US dollars, which is approximately 5.4 billion shillings of Global Fund money meant to fight HIV, malaria and tuberculosis, was misappropriated. Government refunded 3.1 billion shillings of the 5.4 billion shillings. The rest was meant to be recovered from the people implicated in its safety. Herbert Ziwa, NTV at Parliament.